Hi everybody, welcome to Simply Scuba. In today's video I'm going to be taking a closer look at the best Divers Pocket Weightbelt. So this is a padded pocket weight belt, so you can put this on if a standard just webbing weight belt is a bit uncomfortable on your hips, you find it digs in, then this kind of gives you that extra bit of padding. Also, if you're diving with shot leads, just lead shot, you can put those pouches inside of here because otherwise you can't thread it over a traditional weight belt, whereas this one you have separate pouches where you can just velcro and just put it on the inside, and then you can kind of control where it is, whether it sits around the front or more around the back. You can load it up with lead. Let's take a closer look. Okay, so this is how it arrives in a plastic bag. Fine, not the best, but hey ho. And then we get our weight belt with a rubber band around it just to keep it nicely wrapped up. And yeah, let's take a closer look. So opening it up, so starting at the buckle ends, so we have a Best Divers metal buckle, stainless steel. This one hasn't actually been threaded on, which is why it's backwards. Ooh, pretty stiff to open up, but nice and secure on that 2-inch webbing strap, so it's not going to undo itself accidentally. Clamp it down, nice, strong and secure, and then lift it up. Then yeah, you get it should be pretty easy to yank that open with the strap. Got an unusual kind of design, so it's almost like a rounded spearhead. Just makes it quite easy to get that sort of lip as well. Moving over to the actual pockets of the weight belt, so big, wide Velcro pockets. They don't bellow out at the bottom, but you could probably fit about 2 blocks of lead in there, to be fair. You've got this mesh section at the bottom, which is just sort of plastic reinforced, so that drains quite easily. And then, yeah, if you put sort of 1 block in, it would move around a little bit from side to side. But where it's fairly flat, it doesn't have those kind of bellows. It's as soon as you do it up, and especially if you put the BCD over the top, that should stop that weight from moving around. But still, you do have a bit of control over where that lead goes. Now, the size of the weight belt denotes how many of these pouches you get. This one, for example, has 4 pouches. Smaller weight belts will only have 3, and then larger might have 5. But you do have a lot of adjustment in this left-hand side where you attach that weight belt buckle, and then of course you do it up with the one on the right-hand side. And that's the Best Divers padded pocket weight belt. That is a standard weight belt, but with that sort of extra flexibility and comfort of padded Velcro pouches, so you can load it up with lead and then sort of strap it on. You don't have those lead blocks directly against your hips, or if you want to dive with lead shot bags, then you can put those in here and it just holds onto them perfectly. More information on our website, simplyscuba.com. There's going to be a link down in the description below so you can check it out. Thank you for watching, and of course, safe diving.